Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another vlog. It's been a long time since I posted. I just have some vlogs sitting in my camera. Bro, editing vlogs is like a work. For real. It's not easy, especially for procrastinators who are like, I'll do it later. Anyway, this is a couple days within a month, so I'm just gonna post it, and the first vlog is gonna be me going to Shach Sar is what it is. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoy it. This is so much fun, so much food, so much celebrations. Yep, enjoy. We had Irish people crash on the party. Maqlan, they heard us. They said they want to join. Hey, that was funny. Mustafa was dancing with them. So we went to Fargo, North Dakota, Moorhead / we went to the mall, then we're doing shopping. I'm gonna be a bridesmaid, guys. My first time being a bridesmaid, kind of nervous. My friend is getting married, so we are doing some shopping here. Yeah, waiting, but
This one and this one.
This one, okay, those two, and you're gonna put these back.
Thank you. أنا أخذت كده بعدين فري وين لا ما سوخت أنا عقولي ذا هالوين مسلم كده جيني كان في هذا محلين درسنا قلم ويا بنتي يا بسم الله اركضي قروح
بورتو لازم اخذها هنا
qalbiga kama baxaysidee waxaad tahay barkaygiye berigii aan kulaaliyo barashadii tixgeliyo ballantigii dhexdeediyo wacadkii habaan mariyey
dadkii ka soo shaqeeyay rag iyo dumarba ma
Tomorrow narration.
Hana kere.
Oh my god.
she never said just stay with me. Todo queda de night, mama, they're lost in history. Kimi ga no koshita shashinga, still lying by the bed. Hohoe muso no hitomi ga, says why we left unsaid. Ima nara tsutae la leru kana, I whisper to the wind. Skirata sono hito koto, but you're too far within. Kono koe ga kimi ni todoku nara, I'd sing just one more time. Sayonara, sayonara no kawari ni, I tell you you're still mine. You can know you only get that look.
I don't know. Meesha joognaa maantay qabow dhimanay. Will be my vlog. Maanta se dareemaysaa?
Very cold. Oh my god.
You wanna die? Wanna go home?
Cold. Yes.
Guriga aadayna.
Yeah. Actually, we want to drink some hot cocoa first. Let's go somewhere.
Okay.
Let's get warmed up.
My hands are freezing.
I'd sing just one more time. Kimi no koe ga kikoeta, I'd freeze that single line. Omoide no naka de mada, you hold me through the dark. Silent letter from my heart to where you are. Maybe love don't fade away, it just hides when light decays. Kimi no ega ga yoru o tera, still shines through the haze. Kono koe ga kimi ni todoku nara, I'd sing just one more time.
هواية كده اسمها سيدو ويسلك شو ويسلك شو
Adoot markaa asku aragta xadheesa iga saar. Okay, go ahead. Why are you acting like that?
It's very easy.
Let me try it.
I'm trying Somali. Okay, this is my first time trying. What can get the adu? No. So they go. Abolin dana mahili kara.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, sister.
Yes. You the best.
Somal ma ku sheega. Ad sinayna inaan say wallahi ahayn suugidiisa aan dhiminayna.
Haye. Atrisho.
Wax jiro. Okay.
Carrots.
Laakiin carrot ma
Some
jecli.
cabbage. Some hurut. Some
Kuleel.
tune. Some hawaji. Something, bro.
Ma sheeg wax
Something.
ku dhex jiro.
It's kind of secret. He can't tell you the recipe. Secret. Why?
Ayada fiir bad English ku hadlaysa. Am Soomaali ku hadal.
Ariya. Ani waaba kuu sheegay ba tune basal. Atrisho.
Adina kamerada.
May.
Oh, Abu, sorry. Okay, this is qatar waay qurxley best soup.
Ha.
Laakiin lacag inta la siimaano advertisement aa sameeyno.
Dadka meal dhan ay ka dhigeen suufka loogu tar
basbaas lagu darsanayaa, moos ku darsan kartaa, liin baa ku darsan kartaa. Isku roono ma gabooda, gabooda wala xabaa nafaqo.
adna maxaa ku dartay?
Anigana mooski, liintii, basbaaskii.
Moose. So that's the original Somali.
Exactly.
Wallahi caadi
Kuleel badanaa.
Atrisho. Sorry. Kana leeyahay.
Heesay ma taadigana.
markaan adriishada arkay
I have fries today. Where's the fries?
fresco lagu soo wadaa adriisho inta waxaa usoo qurux badan
Thank you.
Upcoming.
I'd sing just one more time. Kimi no koe ga kikoeta,
Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe and share. Vlog halkaas kusoo dhamaado mahadsantiin daawashada ku daawateen inta hadaa soo kartiin like saar comment ka bixi share garee bye.